Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and of course I had to come back this week with another stress-free, super beginner-friendly wig install. This time I'm going to be using this really pretty closure wig from Hairitory. Yes, I'm back on Amazon again, but no worries, I'm going to leave all the information for this particular Amazon wig right down in the description box. So let's get into this process. So now my hair is ready to go, my skin is cleaned off, and I'm about to get started with my first layer of this Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray from Ebin, New York. If you've been watching a few of my last few recent videos, you know that I've been getting down with this spray, most especially when I have to do several installs a day, or I don't have time to kind of get into the install process with the glue and the prepping that I love to do so much. This hold that this, well, you know what? I'm gonna leave that for the end results because I want you to see it. I'm not even gonna tell you about it. So for the maximum hold when I'm using this product, I like to personally go underneath the lace and spray a first layer down before I put that closure or frontal down on my skin. It just kind of gives me something to hold on to, and I blow dry that just to make sure that it's nice and tacky before I get started with spraying it above the lace as well. Now for me, one of the greatest steps or most important parts of making sure that your wig stays down when you lay it down is paying attention to whatever else is going on behind the hairline just as much as what's going on in front of the hairline, because that's where that product is going to hold you down even when you start lifting up. So I go ahead and tend to the back of the hairline just a few steps right before it, and I like to go through with my blow dryer and make sure that I'm patting everything down with my comb and also using the back of it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that foundation from the bottom of the lace right on top of it. Guess where? Yes, behind the hairline. To make sure not to speed any of this process up, only because I want you guys to see step by step what I like to do when I'm limited on time and products and I'm on the road and I can't lay my wigs down the way I usually do. So I did bring my shears with me, my Conair shears, and I want you to see the jagged motion I'm using to cut this lace off. Now that bottom layer of this lace spray is nice and dry, I'm about to go in and add just another or a few more little sprays over the spots that I know I want to make sure my lace stays down in. This was a particularly humid weekend, and this girl did not lift not once, y'all. Okay, so I don't know about you, but this is how I like to apply this lace spray and install wigs on particularly hot days as a sweaty girl. Once again, don't mind my face, okay? Because when you see my face all tied up like that, just know I have something very interesting and engaging playing in the background on Netflix. This time it was Lupin, and I'm finally glad that I got into that show. If you are watching Lupin, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I finished the first two chapters, and I'm looking forward to the next one. Here we go. These are the final results of my stress-free wig install, guys. Please, if you have any questions about this wig, what I did to it, or the product I use, please be sure to let me know in the comments. As always, guys, thank you for clicking play on this video, and I'll be sure to meet you right here on my channel next time, same place.